Scene 2. First child, who plays the cozy. Second child, who plays the officer. Third child, who plays Ali Kogia. Zain, who plays the merchant. Two boys, who play olive merchants. Many other children, who look on. The Caliph, accompanied by his Grand Vizier, enters the narrow street upon which the court opens. They are in disguise, appearing as merchants. Caliph, perhaps we may hear some talk of this affair of Ali Kogia and the merchant as we go through the city tonight. Vizier: It is possible, O commander of the true believers. The affair has made a great noise in Baghdad. Caliph: This Ali Kogia presented a petition to me today, and I promise to hear him tomorrow. Would that I could know the truth of the matter, that I may give a just sentence. They arrive at the court where several children are playing in the moonlight. The Caliph stops to watch them. First child, let us play that the Qazi is trying the merchant. Second child, joyfully, yes, yes. Third child, joyfully, yes, yes. All children, clapping their hands, yes, yes. Caliph, softly to Vizier, let us sit on this bench. I would know what these children are playing. They sit but are not seen by the children. First child, taking his seat with great dignity, I choose to be the Qazi. Second child, taking his place behind the Qazi, I choose to be the officer. Third child, I choose to be Ali Kogia. Qazi, who chooses to be the merchant? Long pause. All the children hang back. Qazi, come, Zain, you be the merchant. Zain, oh, well, then, I'll be the merchant this time. Qazi, officer, bring in the accused and his accuser. The officer presents the merchant and Ali Kogia before the Qazi. Qazi, Ali Kogia, what charge have you to make against this merchant? Ali Kogia, bowing, Sir, when I journeyed from Baghdad 7 years ago, I left with this merchant a jar. Now, into this jar I had put, with some olives, 1,000 pieces of gold. When I opened the jar, I found that it had been entirely filled with olives. The gold had disappeared. Qazi, merchant, what have you to say to this charge? Merchant, I confess that I had the jar in my house, but Ali Kogia found it exactly as he had left it. Ali Kogia, have you brought the jar? Ali Kogia, no, I did not think of that. Qazi, then go and fetch it. Ali Kogia goes. Ali Kogia enters. He pretends to set a jar before the Qazi. Qazi, Ali Kogia, is this jar the same you left with the merchant? Ali Kogia, Sir, it is the same. Qazi, merchant, do you confess this jar to be the same? Merchant, Sir, it is the same. Qazi, officer, remove the cover. The officer pretends to remove the cover. These are fine olives. Let me taste them. Pretending to eat an olive. They are excellent. But I cannot think that olives will keep 7 years and be so good. Therefore, officer, bring in olive merchants and let me hear what their opinion is. Officer, announcing, forward, to olive merchants. Two boys present themselves. Qazi, are you olive merchants? Boys, bowing, sir, we are. Qazi, tell me, how long olives will keep? First olive merchant, let us take what care we can. They will hardly be worth anything, the third year. Second olive merchant, it is true. For then, they will have neither taste nor color. Qazi, if it be so, look into that jar and tell me, how long it is since those olives were put into it. Both merchants pretend to examine and taste the olives. First olive merchant, these olives are new and good. Second olive merchant, sir, they are of this year's growth. There is not a merchant in Baghdad that will not say the same. Qazi, merchant, you stand accused. You must return the 1,000 pieces of gold to Ali Kogia. Merchant, sir, I protest. Qazi, interrupting, be silent. You are a rogue. Take him to prison, officer. All the children seize the merchant and run from the court laughing and shouting. Caliph, rising, I know now what will be a just trial. I have learned it from the child Qazi. Do you think I could give a better sentence? Vizier, I think not, if the case be as these children played it. Caliph, take care to bid Ali Kogia bring his jar of olives tomorrow. And let two olive merchants attend. Vizier, it shall be done. Caliph, if the olives be indeed fresh, then the merchant will receive his punishment and Ali Kogia his 1,000 pieces of gold. Starting off, stopping. Take notice of this street, and tomorrow present the boy Qazi with a purse of gold. Tell him it is a token of my admiration of his wisdom and justice.